So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add the glow effect in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is go to CapCut.com. After that you can see on the left side create new and some other options as well. So on here choose on the video one of the aspect ratios of it. Once you clicked on one of those you can be taken to here. On here you can see media, templates, elements, audio, text, captions, transcript effects and many more options underneath. So let's go ahead and click on effect. So you added a video, then go to effect. On here you can see a lot of effects already here, but in order to find the one we are looking for, you need to type out glow. Once you type that out, you can see dreamy glow, edge glow, some other edge glow, glow 2, glow bats, and so on. It has a lot of similar glow effects. So let's use the first one. You can see the effect has been added here, and you can even expand it to a lot of it. So you can see right now it's a bit different than it was. It's rather lighter in color, and you can see the difference is really there. So you can see this is glowing quite a bit. You can now set up the basic glow effect, so you can add the filter and reduce it so it may not be as glowy as it could be. You can see here the option glow, so you can reduce that as well. So you can see it can be a lot more or a lot less. You can even set it up through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.